Hey guys, we're live at 4:37 and we're running a 2-winner mini for Travis's Artoo pop-up there. There's the list. There it is. I got 30 spots. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste them in here, 1 through 30. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 5 exactly, so we're good to begin. Good luck, guys. Kenneth and Jason, round 1. Josh and Jason, 2. Scott and Josh, 3. Jason and Kenneth, 4, and our winners are Kenneth and Jason. Congrats, guys. Here's the official results. BKHDEE. Kenneth and Jason are the winners. Congrats, fellas. And I am done at 4:38 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you next time.